Hey there! Quick question. When you meet someone in English, what's the very first word that comes out of your mouth? Hello, right? But here's the thing. In real life, native speakers almost never just say hello. They say, hey, what's up? How's it going? And if you only know, hello, how are you, you can sound a little robotic. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to greet anyone in any situation and sound natural, warm, and confident. Sound good? Let's jump in. Welcome back to Daily Speak, the English podcast where we learn real, everyday English, one conversation at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so we can practice together every day. All right, let's get started. Part 2. Let's start with the most common ones. The casual greetings. These are for friends, family, co-workers, people you feel relaxed with. Number 1. Hey. Just, hey. It's short, friendly, and you'll hear it everywhere in America. Number 2. Hi there. A little warmer, great when you're happy to see someone. Number 3. What's up? Now, this one is interesting. It looks like a question, but it's really just a greeting. You don't need a long answer. You can simply say, not much, you? Number 4. How's it going? Super common, super natural. Let's try these together. Repeat after me. Hey, what's up? Hi there, how's it going? Nice. You're already sounding more natural. Part 3. Formal greetings plus time of day. Okay, now let's talk about formal greetings. You'll use these at work, in a job interview, or when you meet someone for the first time. The classic one. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Simple, polite, and always correct. A little more professional. Good morning, it's a pleasure to meet you. And speaking of good morning, let's cover the time of day greetings. In the morning, say good morning. In the afternoon, good afternoon. In the evening, good evening. But here's a quick tip. We do not say good night as a greeting. Good night is only for saying goodbye when you're leaving or going to sleep. Remember that one. It's a common mistake. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. It's nice to meet you. Good afternoon, everyone. Perfect. Part 4. Responding to, how are you? Now, here's something that trips up a lot of learners. When someone says, how are you? What do you say? A lot of people freeze, or they just say, I am fine, thank you. And you? Now, that's not wrong, but it sounds a little like a textbook. Let me give you some natural answers. You can say, I'm good, thanks. Or, pretty good, how about you? or even just, not bad. And here's the secret. Most of the time, how are you is not a real question. It's just a friendly hello. So you don't need to explain your whole day. Just keep it short, smile, and ask back. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Pretty good. And you? Great job. Part 5. Common mistakes plus extra phrases. All right, let me save you from a few common mistakes. Mistake 1. Mixing formal and casual. Don't say, "What's up, sir?" Casual words go with casual situations. Mistake 2. Answering "What's up?" with a long story. Just keep it light. Not much. Mistake 3. Forgetting to greet back. Always return the greeting. It feels warm and polite. Now, a few bonus phrases to sound like a native. Long time no see. Use this when you meet an old friend. Good to see you. Warm and friendly. How have you been? Perfect for someone you haven't seen in a while. Let's say them together. Repeat after me. Long time no see. Good to see you. How have you been? Beautiful. Part 6. Okay, now it's your turn. This is the most important part, so don't skip it. I'll give you a situation, and you give the greeting out loud. You meet a friend on the street. You walk into a job interview. You see someone you haven't met in years. Awesome. You're doing great. Now here's your homework. In the comments below, write 3 greetings. 1 casual, 1 formal, and 1 for an old friend. I read every comment, and I'd love to see yours. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to practice a little every day. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak so you never miss a lesson. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.